Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another laundry motivation video. I have a huge pile of laundry that I accumulated from the past few days because I knew I wanted to do a laundry video, and honestly I was so busy filming some other videos that I did not have time to fold them right away. So today I'm gonna film everything and I'm gonna time it to see how fast I can fold it. Last time when I did this type of video, it took me around 30 something minutes to finish it all. I hope I beat that time today, and we'll see. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and hope it gives you motivation to do that laundry. I know it's not a favorite thing for everyone, but as we know, it has to be done. So get motivated and let's get started.
lights, sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down.
So I am done with everything. I folded everything and it took me 19 minutes and 16 seconds to finish everything. So yes, I beat my previous time. I'm very happy about that. Mostly I'm happy that I folded everything, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and hope this gave you motivation to just tackle that laundry. I would like to hear from you. Tell me in the comments down below, how do you fold your laundry? Do you do it in your living room, on your bed, in your laundry room? And also, do you do it right away when it gets out of the dryer, or do you just wait a couple of days to accumulate like mine did now? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me, and it'll show me that you guys like this kind of content. Also, if you're not already subscribed, if you're not part of my channel, click the red subscribe button, join my YouTube family. It's free, and I'm sure you guys are gonna find something that you're like it on my channel. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Down, down, baby going down, 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 down.